Welcome to Spyder Auto. Today we're making a headlight installation video on this 2014 Ford F-150. Tools needed for the installation is a 1/4 screwdriver with a 10mm socket, Phillips screwdriver, panel popper, and some masking tape. Now let's get started. First, let's start by opening the hood. Next, we're going to remove the liner. To open up the liner, we need to remove the retainer clip. So using your Phillips screwdriver, go ahead and loosen the screw. You can take your panel popper and unclip it. Open it up. Next, we're going to remove 3 10mm bolts. We have 1, 2, and 3. Next, before unseating the headlight, I'll apply masking tape on the paint of the valence to prevent any scratches. Next, you're going to grab your headlight firmly and carefully pull straight forward. So you're going to disconnect the side marker bulb socket, turning counterclockwise. You want to make sure the gasket's on there. And then unplug the high beam, low beam. And unplug the parking turn signal. Going to bring over your Spyder headlight, turn it to the back, take your side marker socket, make sure the gasket is on there and the bulb is good. Install it onto the assembly, turn it clockwise to lock it in place. Grab your high beam, low beam, go ahead and plug that in. Make sure it's secure. Grab your turn signal. Plug that in. And make sure it's secure. Now these 2 clips, guide pins, line them up with the holes. Tuck your wires out of the way. Clip your headlight in place. Next, reinstall your 3 10mm bolts. Reinstall your liner. And your retainer clip. Now repeat the same process on the other side. Now that we're finished installing our headlights, let's close the hood and test the headlight functions.